So today we are going to cover how to delete empty rows from a spreadsheet in Excel. So I have here a list of book categories in Amazon, but it's full of empty rows and I want to get rid of them. Now there are two ways to do this that we're going to cover today. What you'll commonly see is someone will tell you to hit F5 and go to Special and select blanks and hit OK. And you can do this, but it's only really useful if you don't have any empty cells that aren't part of a blank row. You can see here that if I delete these rows, I've lost a bunch of data because anything with a blank space in it has been deleted from my sheet. So if I undo this, let's talk about the second way to get this done. So instead of doing that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select A1 and go to the bottom of the spreadsheet, and I'm going to highlight my entire range that I want to remove blank rows from, and I'm going to go to Sort and Filter and add a filter. It's important that you do this because if you just highlight the top row and hit filter, it's only going to grab this and it's going to stop at the first blank row. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to unselect all and select blanks only, and we're going to do this a few more times. It takes a few more seconds, but it will let you delete all your blank rows without removing any of your data. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is do this once more, and I think we can get down to just our blank rows. You can see them here highlighted in blue. So I'm just going to highlight them all, right click and delete row. And then I can highlight my top and remove the filter. And I've got all of my data still in place and no blank rows. And all without touching rows with blank cells in them. Thank you for watching, and if this helped you out, drop a subscribe.